Alright, welcome inside. We're in KJ's shed. It's going to be a great episode of the Waikato Sheds today. We've got young Sean from operations, we've got Shane, and then we've got KJ the man himself. Now we're lucky enough to get a tour on the inside of this shed. So KJ, you're our brand ambassador. What do you do normally, and just give us a little bit of a rundown of the life and times of the KJ.
Oh look, I'm proud to be the brand ambassador, and what better way than having a shed, which I'm really proud of. And I guess too, when you come and have a look at the shed here that I have, there's probably a few things that sort of probably sum up my character. And I guess if you have a little look, there's one or two hats up on the roof here, and these have been hats that have been given to me over the years and in my career, and most of them, maybe all of them, have got some little stories which are really cool. So it's really amazing. People come out and go, wow, look at all these hats. And there is a few.
Yeah, I like it. There's No Bull Sheds one up there.
Of course there is. And
the Mighty Warriors. Go the Warriors.
To be fair, I've got the Noble Sheds in the number one spot there above the boardroom. But yeah, no, there's some special ones, and a lot of during my career I've had opportunities to sort of hang out with, I guess, some pretty well-known sporting celebrities who have given me hats for whatever reason.
What is your career for the viewers? What do you do?
I'm the turf manager at Seddon Park and FMG Stadium Waikato. So been lucky to also been able to do quite a bit of work around the world, and worked in places like India, Dubai, Japan, Samoa. So helping out consulting on turf. So it's been pretty lucky, to be honest. So. Got some,
cool.
Got some great stories, and perhaps one day there will be a book.
Oh, you heard it here first.
Life's a Pitch, great title. Life's a Pitch, right? Yeah, cool. I like that. Yeah. So other wee things here that I've got on my shed too. I run an irrigation system on the lawns. I mean, obviously with what I do, there's a lot of pressure on me to have the lawns looking pretty sharp. So I've got an irrigation system set up here. Lots of tools of trade, and I mean, I was trained by my boss when I was an apprentice at the Shirley Golf Course in Christchurch, that everything in its place and a place for everything. So you kind of come out here and you'll kind of see a little bit about me. I like things to be nice and tidy, looking sharp. Yep. Obviously got some of my mowing equipment here. This little girl here, she's the one who does all those nice stripes you might have seen on social media. Boys like the motorbikes, just challenge me. Yeah, that little one there, yeah, I'm normally upside down like Nitro Circus and those sort of things. So, yeah, we just don't get a lot of time to ride that.
Yeah.
Number one piece out here would be Shed 22, and we'll take you in there soon. I do have a little business on the side, sell a bit of product, and probably my workshop, something too that's really, if you said to me, KJ, could you show me, could I point you in the direction of my 8mm spanner, I could exactly tell you where it is. I know where every tool is. So. Yeah, I guess Whirly Bird have got up there because it does get hot out here. Bit of storage up the top, because you know what it's like, the shed is never big enough. So I've got a bit of space up there, and also too, perhaps I might need to talk to you guys. I've got some plans to make it a little bit bigger. Yeah. Just need to get the wife to sign off.
Yeah, there's some awesome things. I just really like what you've done here. Just the simplicity of the ply on the walls for the tools. I mean, that's one of the strengths. Like, this is all New Zealand made steel. Shout out to the Metalcraft guys that made this up in Auckland. T-rib colour steel on the roof, all the bolts, nuts, fastenings from our mates at Connect, and then Dermacraft paper. But it's just really simple. Obviously, you've been able to screw that in there, rock solid on the walls there, be able to build it. Great idea. We are looking forward to having a look at this bar. But it's got the little mezzanine in there, so all these little touches that you can add to it yourself. A few empty kegs in the corner, so
it's about character.
It's about character. You got to keep the well-oiled machine.
Well, you know that if you see my ute in the driveway, you know we'll be out here.
Yeah. All right, so should we go have a look at Shed 22? What you've created? Awesome. We're inside Shed 22, as Ange discovered. This is a very exclusive club, so
absolutely.
Cheers to the good George that we've got on here. Cheers, guys.
Woohoo! The hazy power, eh? Look at that.
Can't bloody beat it.
See, I told you it was special here, isn't it?
That is.
Where do you get hazy power like that? Off the keg.
Yeah.
Really?
Look at that out of the squealer. Now listen, this is another little area where it's pretty special. Little area in my shed that kind of people don't know is here. Had some great guests who've been able to come along and attend our Shed 22 catch-ups. But again, built by myself, so I guess, a place I've spent a bit of work building it, but yeah, really cool. And you'll see some of the memorabilia of people who've been here, You know, I've got Ross Taylor's shirt from the MCG and some All Black shirts and bits and pieces. So pretty cool, and very lucky, I guess, in the sense of my job. I've had opportunities to sort of hang out with Joe Root, who scored 200 on Seddon Park and signed some batting gloves and gave them to us. So yeah, so it's pretty fortunate. But it's kind of nice to have them out in display here in my fantastic shed.
Yeah, no, shed. Yeah, building your own shed's cool. Building your own bar inside the shed. Wow. Now, that's
Again, I do need to talk to you guys. I've got
levels to
plans
this.
to expand.
yeah. I can certainly see a little door out the back there, a little outdoor indoor outdoor flow. Yeah,
I like
nice.
the way you think. Like the way you think. Yeah, brilliant. Hey, listen, it's been awesome having you guys here. Don't know about you guys, but beer's going down good. We might have to have
pretty
another
good.
one,
Yeah.
It's look, I've fantastic relationship with all you guys. It's great to have you here, Ange, and the rest of the crew, and being the brand ambassador is something that I'm really proud of. And it's been a number of years now, and it's really cool. And it's been amazing how many people know Noble Sheds or Waikato Shed Company through through the contacts and stuff we have, and it's been amazing. And I've really loved the journey and how we started. We were filming on our cell phones and having to click and count and all those sort of things, and now look, we've got these professional guys here with microphones hanging over us, and we're doing stuff pretty well. So look, really proud of the relationship with you guys, and yeah, here's to plenty more years, eh?
Yeah,
Sure.
thanks guys. And thanks to Speed Shop Media behind the camera, Nick and Wayne doing a great job,
Cheers,
eh?
boys.
So thanks guys, that's awesome.
Good stuff, guys.
Awesome. Cheers everybody.